Most homes are not built for real life after 60. I've seen people fall in the kitchen, struggling with the garden they loved, and feel lonely in the home they worked a lifetime for. I'm an architect, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to age in place the right way. Whether you are settling into your forever home or considering to move, your home should grow with you, not work against you. And frankly, most homes get it wrong. Let's change that, shall we? Here's how. If we haven't met before, I'm Lorenzo, the Italian architect based in London and founder of Santioni Architects. One thing I care deeply about is to design homes that last. Homes that can support you, not just now, but in 10, 20, 30 years from now. I've worked with clients in their 60s, 70s, and 80s, and I've seen just how small design choices can transform their lives, or make it more frustrating than what it needs to be. So here are the 5 most important things I've learned about how to age in place the right way, with dignity, independence, and comfort. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with what matters most: safety. It's quite common for adults over 65 years old to fall. But believe it or not, most falls don't happen outside. They happen at home. So here's what I recommend. Non-slip flooring in bathrooms and kitchens. Avoid glossy tiles. No thresholds or level changes between rooms. Those tiny 2cm lips can trip anyone. Good lighting, especially at night. You can use motion sensor nightlights in the hall and near the bathroom. Grab bars that don't look clinical. There are beautiful design forward options now that blend into your style. Hold on, you don't need to turn your home into a hospital, but you do need to design it like you matter. Now let's talk about functionality. This is something that I usually see done in the wrong way. Have you ever watched someone struggling getting a pot from a high cupboard, or maybe you are one of those? Have you bent over too far to load the washing machine? The solution is designed for reachability. Install pull-down shelves in overhead cabinets, or just avoid high storage altogether. Place microwaves and ovens at eye level to reduce bending and lifting. Drawers are better than cabinets, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. They let you see everything without kneeling or crouching. In the bedroom, avoid low beds or sofas that are too hard to stand up from. The goal is simple. Make the home work for your body, not the other way around. Aging in place isn't just about safety. It's also about joy and mental well-being. Too many homes become quiet boxes over time. Places where people retreat instead of thriving. So here's how I design your home for mental well-being. Prioritize natural light. Light boosts your mood, supports your sleep, and even helps with memory. Create a cozy sitting nook near a window. Give yourself a reason to pause and enjoy the day. Design spaces for connection. A small table near the kitchen encourages tea with a friend. A comfy chair facing the garden reminds your life is still moving. Add personal meaning to your decor. Photos, art, objects with stories. This helps maintain identity and memory tied to the home you love. Remember, a home should nourish your soul, not just shield you from the elements. Now let's talk about the garden. I've received a few of your comments mentioning how tough and hard it is to maintain a garden, whether because of the high costs or the amount of labor involved. I actually worked with a lot of clients who really love their gardens, but really they can't keep up with maintenance anymore. The answer is not to get rid of it, but to redesign it properly. Replace lawns with gravel. Less mowing, more beauty. You could use raised planters, so you can garden while standing or sitting. I suggest you choose native, low-maintenance plants. They thrive with minimal care. Add a small shaded seating area, somewhere to enjoy the garden without working in it. So here's a great example for one of my projects in London. I redesigned this backyard garden by lowering it to match the level of the external door. Added steps that double as seating for a morning coffee, and selected a few small, low-maintenance plants. The result speaks for itself. Sorry for just showing you the render images. This is actually getting built at the moment, so stay tuned because I'm going to dedicate a full video to this beautiful building. Anyways, remember that a garden should give you energy, not take it from you. You probably heard about this already, or maybe you're already thinking about it. But really, should you live on a single floor as you age? Bungalows are often seen as the gold standard for aging in place. And don't get me wrong, in many cases they are. But that doesn't mean that stairs should automatically be considered the enemy. In fact, I believe stairs can actually be a gift if designed and used wisely. Here's why. Movement is medicine. Climbing stairs, even just once or twice a day, engages your muscles, improves circulation, and supports balance, while also building confidence in your own body. It's a form of everyday exercise woven seamlessly into your life. But here's the key, stairs must also be safe. That means even glare-free lighting to reduce the risk of missteps, especially at night. Sturdy handrails on both sides to offer support and reassurance. Consistent tread height and depth with no expected changes or wobbly surfaces. Of course, no matter how safe the stairs are, your home should still give you confidence and not dependence. That's why I recommend keeping all the essential spaces, like bathroom, living room, and dining room, on one single floor, most likely the ground floor. In this way, doing the stairs is not a necessity, but it's a choice. I believe that aging in place is not about eliminating every challenge. It's about designing a home that supports the kind of life that you want to lead, physically, emotionally, and always with dignity. Thanks for watching the video. So there you have it, the 5 key essential tips to age in place intelligently. Safety, functionality, well-being, low-maintenance nature, and movement. Aging in place doesn't mean freezing your life in time. It means designing your home to change with you, to support who you are now and who you are becoming, and maybe, hopefully, also supporting your future generations. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and turn on the notification bell. You could also share this video with someone that you care about, whether that's your lovely neighbor, your grandma, your mother, or your husband. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. What do you think makes a home truly supportive as we age? Let me know your experience in the comments. I read each of them, and I think it's a great way to connect with me and to actually make the other people understand how, they can age in place in the most effective way. Until the next one. Ciao.